your set of system instructions or the personality you want your LLM to have. Because an LLM can respond in any way that you want. It can be rude if you want it. It can be nice if you want it to be. So here you want to specify what kind of AI that you want your user to experience. Okay. So in our case, I'm just going to give a very simple one and I'll tell it what it is. So you are helpful assistant that can help the user in building forms from their description. Now, in this case, you don't have any rule specified as yet, but it is the best practice that you should specify some set of rules here and divide your system prompt up into easy identifiable sections because the LLM likes these things. And so the first rule that we want to give is that the rows array you return will be used to create the form in the main canvas. Okay. And the next one we want to give is that if you can't generate the form, then just return an empty rows array. Okay. So that it does not give gibberish when you mess up your prompt or you don't give a form, you give something else to it. Okay. Basically, for system prompts, you need to make them narrow enough so that it only does what you want it to do. You can guide it in different ways. So this is a way where it's not really that precise. You need to test out different things. You need to experiment with it, play around with it. Okay, so in this case, this is fine for our use case. So let's save this now. And so our AI chat or your structured completion resource is ready here now. All right, so what we want to do is now we want to show the response. A great way to do that would be because it's a resource and the value signal is going to get updated when we get a new value, we can use an effect for this purpose, which will be perfect for that. Okay, so let's create an effect inside of the constructor. And in this effect, we're going to take the value of my AI chat here dot value. So we have your UI here and let's open up our terminal window here. Okay, so let's say just like we tried 3-letter word sign up for. So we have pressed enter, but we actually cannot see anything. But yeah, we get a console.log after some time. And as you can see here, we have 3 console.logs. So this is the response being streamed basically on your UI